Yeah, I'm gonna need to grab that. Okay, babe. So, so what we're doing today is another run to the other house to pick up some of the goat toys that we have. So it's been on and off lately. Back and forth is what we're doing. Come on along, right?
Absolutely.
More later. Bye. And here we go. There's the first batch. And this is on electric stove. I never did it on electric stove, so far so good. Looks good. She's doing the hula dance, not the Macarena or whatever, crazy Macarena. All good. Later.